decided to make new videos because there are some changes in my workshop, and I decided this to make it English because I need to practice the language. I would like to introduce the safety manager. She's Shelby, and she watched everything. So, 3 years ago I started to build CNC machine. This one we have next to me, and that was originally an EDM. And this EDM machine was completely out of order. I built a 4-axis CNC machine. The 3 axis has a hybrid servo drives, and for the 4th, this is a servo, an AC servo. The taper is BT40. The spindle is 1.8 kilowatt. It's a quite good machine. I can machine steel, aluminum, and plastic, but it has a drawback, and this is the travel in the X and then the Y. The X is almost 300 millimeter, and the Y is 240. And I had a chance to buy a used machine, which was out of order for many reasons. And 2 days ago it arrived to my shop, and I decided to recover it, and in a video series show you how it's going. And if you if you subscribe to my channel, you won't miss any news. And let's dive in, and let's do it. Alright, this is the machine. This is a Mori Seiki TV400. It's a 3-axis machine. The X travel is 550 millimeters. The Y is 420 millimeters. The spindle is 5.5 kilowatt. The max speed is 8000. And the ATC, it has an ATC. I am going to show it. This is the operator panel of the machine, and this is the plate, and this is the ETC. It has an ETC, 12 tools can hold it, and this is the inside. It's very dirty. You need a lot of degreaser and elbow grease to clean it up. There are some dirt underneath these covers. Many reasons I was not able to turn on the machine and try it. One is the seller told me there is no Y servo, but because the machine was a donor or a parts mine. But I checked it. Actually, there is the Y motor, just not hooked up. And I guess reason is because they changed it or flipped with the other motor, and they just put it here. This one is maybe the wrong one, but I have a servo, and I guess we can repair it. The other thing, he told me, there is no spindle encoder, but as you can see, there is an encoder, just no encoder cable and no power cables for the spindle. And these two are missing. I guess it's easier to make 2 cables than to find an encoder. There's a lot of oil and dirt all everywhere. This is the electrical cabinet. We have 3 drivers, servo drivers. These are the axes, and this is for the ETC, and this is for the spindle, and this cable missing, and another one which comes from here and goes up to the spindle. I guess these parts are not the original parts which were built or delivered with the machine. This side is the original. This is some extra. I need to check it, and I need to replace the batteries. Not bad, but not good. This one is, for example, 4 years old. There is another frequency converter. I don't know what is this for. What is this here? What is this for here? Also needed to check. I already made some rough leveling of the machine. This is not the final place. The final place will be over there, but I would like to turn on the machine here. So yeah, and there is a EC for the electrical cabinet. Alright, the reason because why we wasn't able to turn on this machine. Okay, the servo is not hooked up and there are spindle cable is missing, but the transformer was missing too, because this machine is Japanese and we need a transformer to convert voltage to this level. But meanwhile I was able to buy one, and this is a Mitsubishi transformer. I'm going to hook up this with the machine, and this is one more part. The coolant tank is 200 liter. It's quite big. There are 2 pumps here. I guess one is high pressure and the other is not, but I am not sure about it. Folks, this will be the new project. If you'd like to follow me, then please subscribe and you won't miss any news. And please like this video. Please leave a comment below. Every comment is welcome. I have manuals for the machine, but I am guessing there will be some issues, some more issues before I can turn it on. So let's recover this. Thank you for your audience and goodbye.